Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share something important with you. We will discuss how to learn English in a fun and easy way. If we use the right methods, learning English can be simple. So, I'll share some useful tips with you. When I was younger, I didn't know English. I felt nervous and unsure. But then, I started listening to English stories every day. Slowly, I began to understand more and more. Words became familiar, and my fear disappeared. Listening is one of the best ways to learn a language. When you listen, you hear new words, learn pronunciation, and understand how to use them. Try to listen to English every day, stories, songs, or even the news. It will help you a lot. They say, practice makes perfect, and it's true. When I was learning, I made sure to practice speaking every day. Even when I made mistakes, I kept going. Making mistakes is normal. It's how we learn, so don't be afraid. Speak in English as much as you can. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Reading is another great way to improve your English. Start with simple books. Books with pictures can help you understand the story better. I remember reading a story about a little cat. It was a simple story, but I learned many new words from it. The more I read, the better my English became. So, make reading a habit. It will help you a lot. Writing is also an important part of learning English. When you write, you practice using words and making sentences. Start small. Write about your daily life, your family, or your dreams. I used to keep a notebook where I wrote every day. Sometimes I made mistakes, but I learned from them. Writing gave me confidence and improved my English skills. Watching videos in English is a fun way to learn. You can watch cartoons, movies, or even short clips. When you watch, you hear real conversations and learn how words are spoken. I once watched a cartoon about a funny dog. It made me laugh, but it also taught me new words. Watching English videos will help you improve your listening and speaking skills. Speaking with people is one of the best ways to practice. If you have friends who speak English, try talking with them. If not, you can find online groups where people practice English together. I had a friend who spoke English fluently. We talked every day, and she helped me correct my mistakes. Talking with her improved my English a lot. So, find someone to practice with. It will help you. Learning a new language takes time, so be patient with yourself. Don't give up if it feels difficult. Every little step you take brings you closer to fluency. I remember struggling in the beginning, but I kept going. Over time, I improved, so always stay patient and keep trying. A dictionary is a great tool to learn new words. Whenever you find a word you don't understand, look it up. Learn its meaning and pronunciation, then try to use it in a sentence. I used to carry a small dictionary with me. Every time I heard a new word, I checked its meaning and practiced using it. This helped me learn many new words. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. Play word games, solve puzzles, or try quiz games. These are fun ways to learn new words. When I was learning, I played a word game with my friends. We had to find as many words as possible. It was exciting, and I learned many new words. So, play games in English. It's a great way to learn. Try to think in English instead of translating in your head. At first, it may feel difficult, but with time, it will become natural. I started thinking in English when I was learning. In the beginning, I had to translate everything, but slowly my brain adapted. Now, I think in English without even trying. Setting goals helps you stay motivated. Start with small goals, like learning 5 new words a day or reading 1 page of a book daily. When I was learning, My first goal was to learn 10 words a week. Then I challenged myself to read a book in English. Reaching my goals made me feel proud and motivated me to keep going. Reviewing is important to remember what you've learned. Go back to your notes, reread your writings, and listen to the same stories again. The more you review, the more you will remember. I used to review my notes every week. This helped me remember lessons and see how much I had improved. Learning a language can be hard sometimes, but a positive attitude makes it easier. Believe in yourself. You can learn English. There were times I felt like giving up, but I reminded myself why I started. Staying positive helped me keep going, and I improved over time. Mistakes are part of learning. Everyone makes them. Instead of feeling bad, learn from your mistakes. They will help you grow. I made many mistakes when I was learning, but I didn't let them stop me. Over time, I improved. So, don't be afraid of mistakes. They are your best teachers. Learning English is like an adventure. Every new word you learn is a step forward. Enjoy the process, have fun, and keep exploring. I enjoyed every moment of my learning journey. I love discovering new words and understanding stories. The more I enjoyed it, the faster I learned. So, make learning fun. Try to be around English as much as possible. Listen to English music, watch English movies, and read English signs. The more you see and hear English, the faster you will learn. I even changed the language on my phone to English. At first, it was difficult, but soon I got used to it. This helped me learn new words naturally. Repetition is key to learning. Repeat new words and sentences often to remember them better. I used to say new words out loud every day. The more I repeated them, the easier they became. So, repeat what you learn. It will make a big difference. Think of learning English like planting a garden. Every new word is a seed, and every sentence you create is a growing plant. With patience and effort, your skills will blossom beautifully. So, keep watering your garden with curiosity, practice, and love. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goal. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite tips for learning English? How do you stay motivated? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's inspire and help each other on this amazing journey of learning English. Thank you for being part of this journey. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining.